Let's go. JRE, keep on going faster. Don't even slow down, don't even let them pass ya. Need this beat to drop quick, son. Like a demon on your ass, bitch. You better run. On that Goku shit, can't rock with us, just real flow. Can't flock with us, big bang attack. Can't talk to us, that's too bad. Cause I like you, but you suck up, so you can't get invite, boo. Do a 360, then I'll just invite you. Then we can just rock it out like GD and Missy. Take a lot of shots and just do something risky. Get under these sheets, then we can just oops, rather have a girlfriend than one of these groups. Cause I'm super committed, need a girl that just fucking fitted to my style and persona. Just make me wanna shh, we can talk about that later, girl. Continue on this little date and just take a twirl. Walk you down the street and just take you home now. Kiss you on the cheek and now you're not alone now. Look you in the eye and now you know the rest. Now people tell me what's gonna happen next. Huh? What's gonna happen next? JRE, yo. I'm not a rapper, I just like rapping. Huh? JRE, keep on going faster. Don't even need to slow down, I wanna poop. Bang attack, can't talk to us too, that's too. Fuck, man, that was going in too. Style and persona, just make me feel like I wanna shh. We can just fuck. On that Goku shit, can't rock with us, just beautiful. Fucking A. Oh man, it's hard. And I wrote these lyrics too.